chapter 2, acids, bases and salts. Okay, first we are going to see about the acid and base. You all know that acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. Okay. Now, if we are having two colorless solution, one of them is acid, another one is base, then how we can find it out? We cannot test it, okay, because it is the unknown substance. So what we are going to do, we add one particular substance in it, and that substance is known as indicator. What is? So indicator means the substance which changes its color or smell in acidic or basic media is known as indicator. Okay. Now there are two types of indicator. One is your natural indicator and another one is man-made. Okay, man-made means these are synthetic indicators. Natural indicators are, you know, turmeric, haldi, you know. Now see, if the turmeric will be on any cloth, then we can see the spot over there. Which color spot it is? Yellow color, है ना? और फिर जब इस पे अपन साबुन लगाते हैं, then this turns to red. Okay. Now this yellow color changes to red. Soap में क्या होता है? Soap is basic in nature. Soap कैसा है? It is a base. NaOH होता है उसमें. As it is basic in nature, then what will happen? The yellow color changes to red. As the color changes from yellow to red, means the medium changes, then the color will change. Then what we called it as a red turmeric act as a indicator. Clear? अब ये red हो गया. Red तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Then what we can do? Again we are going to put lemon over there. What is? As we put lemon on the spot, then automatically this red color again changes to yellow. Clear? पहले क्या हुआ? Yellow था. As we are going to put soap, then it changes to that. Means in basic medium, turmeric color will be red. Then as we put lemon is having citric acid in it. Means as the medium changes to acidic, again it turns to yellow. Means turmeric have yellow color in acidic medium and red color in basic medium. So it is a natural substance. That's why we consider it as a natural indicator. Another natural indicator is red cabbage. Okay. And third one is your China rose. All these are your natural indicators. Okay. One more which is very important and we are using in lab, that is your litmus solution. Litmus solution. Now this litmus solution is violet in color originally, but with acidic or basic medium its color will be blue or red. Okay. We are going to take blue litmus. Okay. You keep in mind blue to red. कब होगा ये? When your substance is acid. है ना? याद कैसे रखोगे? AB road. कैसे याद रखना है? AB road. A for acid, B for blue, and R for red. Means your acid turns blue litmus red, and base will be opposite of that. Means base turns red litmus blue. Clear? So the main natural indicator which is used in laboratory is litmus solution or litmus paper. When we put this litmus solution is acid, then the color changes from blue to red, and when we have basic solution, then the color changes from red to blue. So this litmus solution or litmus indicator is made up by lichen. Okay, it is the plant extract. What is now? Lichen. From that we are going to extract this. Clear? So this is your natural indicator. Now we have to see the man-made indicator. Man-made indicator, or we called it as the synthetic indicator, which are made up by man. Now the one first is methyl orange. Okay, and another one is phenolphthalein. Here these are synthetic indicators. Now the methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Now see first methyl orange. What we have to see? The color in acidic and basic medium. So in acid, and this is your base. In acid, methyl orange is yellow. Clear? And in base it is pink. And when we talk about phenolphthalein, in acid it is colorless. And in base it is pink. है ना, कलर याद रखना, because they will ask a substance A is having methyl orange color, yellow in it. But when we put in base, then the color changes to pink. Find out the substance, then it will be a methyl orange. Clear now? So what we can say? Note down this. In acid, methyl orange is yellow. In base, it is pink. Phenolphthalein, acid, it is colorless, and in base, it is pink in color. Okay, so these are your man-made indicator. Then one more type of indicator is there, that is known as your olfactory indicator. Okay, olfactory indicator means which changes its smell in acidic or basic medium. For this example, onion. ओके, मेरे ख्याल से देखा होगा तुमने अनियन कैसे रहते हैं. अपन वहां जाते हैं ना होटलों में, they are putting vinegar over there. Vinegar is acidic in nature. Vinegar डालने से ऑरेंज कलर का हो जाता है, and the smell of onion will not be there. So the smell changes. The second example is clove oil, है ना, लौंग का तेल. ठीक है. And third one is your vanilla essence. For this, so these are three type of indicators. One is your natural indicator, second man-made, and third olfactory indicator. Clear? So one more time I am telling you the definition of indicator. Indicator means the substance which changes its color or its smell in acidic or basic medium. Okay. Now see, one question is given in your book that we are having three substances. Okay, three colorless solutions. One, two, and this is your third one. One contains water, another contains acid, and one is having base in it. Okay, but we don't know what is there. And you have given only red litmus solution. How you can find it out? First, what we are going to do, we will put red litmus inside this. Okay, as we put red litmus, then it turns to blue. Red blue को कर रहा है तो वो क्या है? Means it is base, है ना? मालूम है base changes. Red litmus blue. Now you are having blue solution. अब मैंने इसमें डाला blue litmus. As I am going to put blue litmus, there is no change in color. Color change नहीं हुआ, means it is water, because water is neutral, है ना? Red ही रहेगा, blue ही रहेगा. Then again we are going to put this blue litmus in this, and immediately the color changes to red. That is changes blue to red. क्या हो गया? So acid. So if we are having only one kind of indicator, then also we can find out or identify the substance present in the test tube. Thank you.